What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on this AC on this beautiful black roof. Now anytime that I arrive to a house and they have a recently installed black shingle roof, I expect the worst, because this type of roof is probably one of the worst that you can put on in the Southwest. It's 114 out today. How hot do you think this roof is? You know, I've done tests before. You can check for yourself. I got them on here. This roof is easily 160 degrees right now. Compare that to a white roof. I typically see 140, 145 max. And I mean, that's an enormous amount of heat load you're adding to the house. For example, this AC is working fine. It's got a great split. The static isn't bad. Granted, it does have pleated filters, so it is running a little high, but that's normal with pleated filters. Charge is good. Everything's okay, even though it's a little old, but it's still fine. But yet it's not keeping up. And the only thing that's changed is that they've put on this stupid black roof, and now the AC isn't keeping up. And you know, we need to raise awareness that this is a big mistake. You know, this mistake is going to cost a lot of money. Okay. You know, I'm going to check the insulation, see how that's doing, see if we can blow in some insulation, and you know, keep the cooling or the heat out of the house. Because in this attic, I'm sure it's like 170 degrees because of the black shingles. Well, that's it, y'all. Remember, if you know someone's getting a new roof and it's hot in the part of the country you live in, tell them do not get black. I don't know whose idea it is. I don't know if it looks cool or whatever, but trust me, it's a gigantic expensive mistake that they are gonna make. That's pretty much it, y'all. Sorry for the rant, but it is what it is. See you on the next one. Peace.